Welcome people, welcome to this brand new tutorial. I'm gonna teach you how you create exactly the same website like me. You see this? You can edit everything visually like this. You will have a drag and drop page builder called Brissy. So I hope you like it, and let's show you the website that we are going to create. So this is our section, our first section. You can edit it also like this. You can build this site really fast with Brissy. So, and right over here you get the pricing tables and etc. And I'm going to teach you step by step how to make this. So let's go. Let's dive in. Hello people, today I want to help you with finding the best hosting provider for you. I highly recommend to go to hostgator.com. They got fast hosting, their support is really good, and they are pretty cheap. So yeah. But your question is, what for kind of hosting do you need? You need shared hosting. So I'm gonna get started. Click on get started, and right over here you see three kind of plans. I highly recommend to take the baby plan. You can host unlimited domains with it, so you can have unlimited websites, and for $4 a month. So I'm gonna click on buy now, and I will wait. Okay, right over here you can choose your desired domain name. For example, you want to have WP website or something else. So this domain isn't available, I think, but you can choose your domain name and select here the baby plan or the hatchling plan. I highly recommend the baby plan, and you can select here for how many months. So if you just want to test if your site is working, I highly recommend to use the 1 month for $12. But if you want it for a longer term, you should use the 12-month plan. That's really useful because then you don't have to repay every time, so you can use it for a year. So I'm gonna select 1 month, and because I just want to try HostGator, and right over here I'm gonna enter the coupon 026, and then your first month is just for 1 penny. So you can try it, and if you like it, take it, and if you don't like it, you can leave it. So yeah, hopefully you will now know how to get a hosting account and a domain name. But what I want to tell you first is that you must and other details will be sent to your email. So yeah, which you provided right over here. So okay, I go to the next video. Alright, in this video I will show you how you install WordPress on your domain name. Click on the WordPress installer. Select here your primary domain, the domain where you want to install WordPress on. And I'm gonna hit next. Soon. Right over here you can enter your blog title. Don't worry, you can change this later. Here you must enter your information, your first name and your last name. Right over here you're gonna enter your real email address and keep accepting service and install. So I will wait until it's installed. It'll take a few seconds, like 20 or 30 seconds. It's pretty fast. So here it is. Copy your password and click on login. It's a difficult password, you can always change this later. So I'm gonna hit the login button, and I'm gonna enter here admin and my password. Alright, and I will log in, and I will wait until it's loaded. We will be redirected to our dashboard. Okay, there it is, that's great. So our dashboard is pretty awesome. We can do a lot of things with WordPress, and I'm gonna visit the website, and right over here it's pretty empty and ugly, so don't worry, we're gonna change a lot of things. Look at the plans. You can get it for $90 a year, or for $49, or for $2.99, but I highly recommend to use the studio plan. So yeah, or if you're personal, you can use the personal plan. So yeah, okay, so back to a dashboard, and I will click on add new, and I will install the Brissy page builder. So I already have bought the pro version, but you can also try the free version. I will show you how to get the free version right now. Right over here you see the Brissy page builder. It's amazing, and I'm gonna click on install now, and I will wait until it's loaded. Okay, it's installed, and now I'm gonna activate this. So I'm also going to install the Pro version because I want to show you that it got really cool features. And yeah. Okay. And now we are going to install the, let me think, the Pro version. So I'm going to click on Add Now, Add New. And I'm going to click on the plugin. And I will click here, right over here. I will drag it, or I will download it first. I've bought it, so I've bought the Pro version. So right over here, I'm gonna upload it. I go to my download folder, and I just easy drag and drop it, just like Brizy. Brizy is drag and drop. So I'm gonna click on Install Now, and I'm all going to show you the cool features of Brizy, what you can do with it and how you must use it. I'm all going to explain to you step by step. Okay, and I will wait until it's loaded. So I click it on the Install Now button. Okay, and I'm going to install it, and I'm going to click on Activate Plugin, and the plugin is installed. Okay. We have Brizy Pro installed right now. You can also use the free version, and right over here I'm gonna click on Pages, because in the previous videos we have made the pages, we have created the pages. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna click on Home and Edit, and right over here I'm gonna click on Edit with Brizy. So it's pretty easy to use Brizy, it's drag and drop. So in the next video, I will show you how you must use it to build an amazing website. Okay, let's building our page. So I will click on the blue button right now, and you will see that you can add very much sections. I got the Pro version, but you can do the same with free layouts. So you can see that there are a lot of templates to choose from, blocks. And I'm going to choose for this one, for example, to show you how it looks. And voila, in one click, you got a whole section. So normally it takes hours to program something like this. You will see it soon, sorry. Yeah, right now. Okay. And normally it takes a little bit time to build something like this or something else. But now we got it like in 30 seconds or something else. So it saves you a lot of time. This is gonna be a really quick course, and I'm gonna teach you exactly how to build a beautiful website with Brizy. So you can choose from light and dark colors. Right over here I'm gonna choose from header. I'm gonna choose this section right over here, and I wanna click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to your website. So okay, I'm gonna select the menu. I'm gonna do that right over here, and here you got that little arrow. I'm gonna click on that thing. You must know on which one you must click, and there you can select my main menu. So we have created a menu in the previous lectures, so I hope you understand this. So we're gonna add another block. Let me look. You got very much to choose from, but I'm gonna choose. Let me think, sorry. I just want to show you all the layouts. You got pretty much. Yeah, I want this one. Okay, it's looking beautiful for your web agency. So okay, right over here, I'm gonna replace the text. It's really simple. You just click on it and type something, whatever you want. This works for every section in your website. So we create awesome stuff. That's a cool slogan for your website company. Online web solutions, for example. Okay, and yeah, then we're gonna add another section. Right over here, we're gonna add another block. So I'm gonna call this block. I'm gonna choose a light one, and you see that you have many to choose from. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. And it's just like the first section that we added. You will double click and edit. I'm not going to edit this because it's only for the course. Yeah, I can edit it, but yeah. So you can just double click and enter your text. Okay. And right over here, I'm going to add another block. And I'm going to add a pricing table. So you have pricing tables in Brizy Pro. And I'm going to choose from this for this one. It's a really good one. And for your agency, this is perfect. So you can use this Brizy builder to build for your clients or for everyone. So it's really useful. You will have a website in like 20 minutes or something else. So I also use this for my clients. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Let me think. Yeah. And right over here, you got your subject. And this is the website that we created just in a few minutes. Isn't that great? Okay. So yeah, we have the homepage right now, but we're gonna create other pages too. So I want you to wait and thanks. Okay. Right over here. And when we go to the page, okay, to skillvideos.org, that's my website, my domain. And I will wait. Okay, and let's build the other page. So I navigated to my pages and I clicked on edit page with Brizy. And now I go to the services. So when I click on services, you will see that this is a blank tab. So what you need to do to come here is navigate to pages and all pages, and right over here you will see all your pages. So the only thing you need to do for your page is click on edit or click on edit with Brizy. So I'm going to show it you. I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to wait. And right over here you got this red/pink button. You need to click on this button, edit with Brizy. So okay, let's jump into the page builder. Okay, so now I have added this text and I navigated to my pages and clicked on edit with Brizy in my menu. So you need to go to your menu and click on edit page with Brizy. I go to the futures and right over here I'm gonna add this one. This one looks good for our services. And right over here I'm gonna select another section and then we're gonna edit a little bit. So let me look. Okay, that's not the section that I want. They got so much to choose from, so I'm always searching for the best element or the best blocks. And yeah, you can create professional websites with this. I highly recommend it. I used like WordPress for like 7 years or something else, and I think this is one of the best page builders on the internet. So I'm gonna take this one, and right over here I'm gonna enter the name, what we offer. So I'm gonna delete this. Wait, I go back, sorry. I'm leave one letter because otherwise it won't be on the same format. So I'm gonna call this services. Oh, services. Okay, pretty funny. Okay, now I got it. And right over here, I'm gonna change this to something else. I'm gonna change this to, let me think, web design. Okay, and right over here, I'm gonna enter, for example, you can do this too with your website. It's very easy to use. And right over here, I'm gonna enter web development. And right over here, I'm gonna enter programming. So this is just to show you a little bit how it works. I'm not gonna edit all those sections for the course because it's a little bit bored and you don't need to know that. So yeah, I'm gonna call this JavaScript. So right over here, we have our services with web design and web development and programming and JavaScript. So when I scroll down, right over here, I'll click the blue update button. We got a really nice page created right now, and we're gonna jump into the next page soon. So okay, and we are back. So right now I'm gonna create another page again, and I will click on. Alright, right now I go to edit this and click on the plus button. Right over here I go to save blocks, and I'm gonna click on this company block, and right over here I need to reselect the menu. So what we did before, right over here and here, and right over here you can add also sliders, but I'm gonna add a normal block. So I think I choose this one. Yeah, this one looks really nice for your for your services page. So okay, and I go to the features, and right over here I'm gonna choose a feature. So a feature section. So I'm gonna choose this one. I'm not gonna edit them all because you know what I mean. It's for the course, for the tutorial. So right over here I'm gonna enter programming, and right over here I'm gonna enter web design, and the last one that will be web development. Okay, yep, that's done. And now we got just 3 sections right over there, and then we go to another page. I think, let me think. Yeah, I'm gonna update this by clicking on the blue button. Don't forget that, to click on the blue button, and I'm gonna go to my website to let's take a look how it looks. So I'm gonna enter skillvideos.org, and I will wait before it's loaded. Okay, it's looking great for your website agency or for your tech website. So I don't know what your project is, but this you can create everything with Brizy. So I'm gonna navigate to the services page where we did. You've just created this page in just a few minutes. Okay, and right over here I'm gonna go to add another page, to edit another page. I'm gonna edit the about us page. So I'm gonna click on edit with Brizy right over there, and I will wait until it's loaded. I'm gonna click on the blue button, and you will see here save blocks, and I'm gonna choose this menu again because we want the same menu for every page, and I need to select it again. So I'm gonna select the main menu again, and yeah, that's right. Okay, right over here I'm gonna search for hero. No, let me think. Okay, this one, or so much options to choose from. I'm gonna watch and until I find the good section. Okay, this one is looking really professional. Okay, and I'm gonna enter here what we offer. So this is our about us. Okay, and I'm going to leave this for what it is, and I will jump into the contact us page. So I'm really excited to show you it, and we are going to it right now. So okay, let's create our contact us page. I click on the plus button, and right over here you got a lot of sections. I'm gonna add the header first, and I'm gonna select this menu again. We did this a lot of times, so I'm gonna don't explain it. So okay, right over here I'm gonna add another page, another block, and let me choose from let me think. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit, and I'm gonna use this one. This one looks very nice in my opinion. So this is just for our contact us section. Okay, what we offer, I'm gonna do the same thing again. The reason that I don't edit the whole website is because it's a little bit bored. So it's a little bit boring. So yeah, I'm gonna edit this, and I'll show you what you can do with Brizy. You can edit your whole website like this. So it's really beginner friendly, and yeah, if you want to build websites for clients, yeah, let's build it in this way. And yeah, I will enter here JavaScript again, and here I will enter programming. Okay, this section is done right now. You can also edit the phone number like I did before. Just type something in. Websites making has never been easier before. And I click on this plus button. But if you're a beginner, I understand that it's a little bit difficult maybe. So okay, I want to add another section, and I want to enter this section. So our team member section, or stuff. So I'm going to replace this text with our staff members. Okay, if we have done that, we are going to the last part of this course. So, and tutorial. So here, right over here, you can edit the image of the person. Just double click, and right over here, I'm gonna add the last section, and that is the contact us section. So, I'm gonna show it you. I'm gonna choose dark, and right over here, when I scroll down, and right over here, I'm gonna select this contact us section. Okay, it's looking pretty awesome in my opinion for your Brizy website, for a client or for yourself, or I don't know for what you are going to use it, school project or something else. So I'm gonna enter here hello contact or stuff. Okay, contact here or stuff. And right over here, I'm going to click on this update button, and we are done with the website. Alright, in this video, I'll show you how you upload your logo. So double click on the logo and click on that image right over there on that button and delete this image right over there. And now we can upload a new image. So let's take a look how it looks right now. It looks empty with this green box, and we're going to click on this image. And we are going to select our logo. So you can get a logo on Fiverr.com or create one on Canva. And right over here, we have our logo. So that's great. So yeah, okay, you see it, webs. That's our slogan for this course, for this tutorial. So okay, I will see you soon.